So this is a report on MATLAB exercise 6, multiple block diagram reduction. We start up by an example which demonstrates how it is done in three different ways using the series parallel and feedback commands, the algebraic expressions, and the append and connect commands. Of these three different commands, I believe that the third one, which is about append and connect, is the most difficult to understand. Because while the first and second are straightforward, for the third one, this is append as sort of the uh, cascade, while the connect is more of the it's another way around. Rather, append is more of the parallel, while connect is more of the cascade. The problem is it requires the use of a matrix defined as Q. So this is slightly more difficult than what it should be with algebraic and series and parallel feedback commands. But to demonstrate that it also works, we have another exercise for that, where it is done via all three commands. So for the first one, we have our use of the series parallel feedback commands, and this is what it is. Now, for the next one, via the algebraic expression, it is also the same. Now, for the last one, which is on the append and connect, so after this, we have p underscore b is equals to pts minus 100 over s cubed plus s squared plus 150s minus 100. So it is fairly straightforward. Now, of course, one thing that should be noted is an unreduced form like this. So using the mean real actually reduces it. And finally, for number 2, I skip to the actual exercise where we are tasked to simplify a block diagram in the same unity feedback formation, except it's 225 over s times s plus 12 for the open loop transfer function. And we get that this is the step response for that, but moreover, this is the CLTF or the closed loop transfer function. And from here, using the formulas for the response time, the peak time, the settling time, the zeta and omega n, we were able to grab the following parameters. With the percent overshoot being 25.383% of its original value or settling value, which is at 1. So, meaning there is 1.254 for the maximum point in this graph. So, in conclusion to this report, we can reduce a block diagram in three separate ways, and it is up to the user, which is more comfortable and which provides more of the insight, but they would reduce all to the same uh, reduction, either in all of them. So I recommend being in the most comfortable, which is, I believe, the algebraic operations, because this is how we traditionally solve our uh, block diagrams. And that ends my report.